Hey guys, Johnny Clay. I'm at Doheny State Beach, and this squirrel, it's the cutest thing. I'm eating a breakfast sandwich, and he just came walking up to me, so I gave him a piece. So I thought I'd give him a little shout out. He's so cute. And he's got white all over him, so we call him Plopp, because it looks like, oh, I lost him. Because it looks like a bird pooped on him. Where'd you go, Plopp? Well, here's his view. Look at this. He's got pretty nice digs. So, hope everybody has a good day. From Doheny State Beach in Dana Point, Johnny Clay. Ow.